Hey friend, what are you doing?
This uncle is doing gas cutting work.
Yes, but without any safety. This cylinder should not be kept lying on the ground.
Why? Why so?
If the spark coming from the gas cutting falls on the cylinder, then there may be a very big explosion.
Oh my god, that means dead on the spot?
Cylinder should be kept upright and in a designated place. Hose pipe and connections should be tested for gas cutting equipment.
What is that?
In this test, it is necessary to check whether the pipe is well connected with the cylinder and that there is no cut or damage on the pipe. While welding or gas cutting, it is mandatory to use safety goggles as it protects your eyes. Always check validity of the welding machine. If validity is over, there is possibility of an accident. Taking earthing point from the proper place is also important.
In hot work, what other safety measures are there?
Welding should always be done in a welding booth. It should be covered by fire blankets from all the sides, so there is no possibility of fire caused by sparks. One welding machine should be used for only one welding work at a time. Return wire should always be connected with the welding machine. In gas cutting, flashback arrestor must be fitted between welding torch and cylinder.